Hello, I'm Holly, and today in this video I'll demonstrate to you the new updates made to the node import panel within Primer, which is used for the post-LS-DYNA processing. When the setup of the human body model positioning is done within Primer, LS-DYNA runs the analysis to pull the model into this new position. Output files are generated from LS-DYNA, with one of them being a DYNA-in file. This file contains the nodal coordinates of the new position, along with other entities such as initial stresses. The node import tool within Primer can be used to read in this DYNA-in file, updating your model to its final position. These DYNA-in files can be quite large and may take some time to be read into Primer. For a faster import, you now have the option to only read in the node coordinates. This will skip over any initial stresses or other data present, but will still use the node coordinates to apply the new position to the model. Once the node import has been processed, other entities may need an update to reflect this new position. Some human body models contain slip ring and seatbelt elements. Each slip ring element has two seatbelt variables referring to the seatbelt parts either side of it. If a node import is processed, then the seatbelt may move through the slip rings, meaning these variables are out of date. You can now check the Update Seatbelt Slip Ring box if you want these variables to be automatically updated. Similarly to the slip ring updates, an update may be required to the joint angle parameters of an HBM after processing a node import. Please note this may only be required for thumbs models for version 5 onwards. These angle parameters can be seen in the parameter keyword and contain information on the angles between joints. If the model is then moved to a new position, joints might have moved and so the angles will need an update. There is also an option to automatically process this update from within the node import panel. Thank you.